Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in costume accessories. Today, we're taking a look at the Giraffe Square glasses, hands down the best vector glasses you can get for your next costume event. The first thing you'll notice is the versatile design. These black, clear lens glasses are perfect for a variety of looks. Whether you're channeling the iconic Velma from Scooby-Doo, going for that classic nerd vibe, or even dressing up as an old man for your costume party, these glasses will elevate your outfit instantly. They feature a timeless square frame design that harks back to the 70s and 80s, offering a fashion-forward style that's both retro and modern. What sets these glasses apart is the non-prescription feature. That's right, you can enjoy the look of stylish eyeglasses without needing a prescription. These glasses are perfect for both kids and adults and can be used for both costume purposes and as a cool accessory for everyday wear. It's a subtle yet bold statement piece, and their clear lenses make them suitable for any outfit, without any hassle of needing to swap out lenses or add prescription ones. Comfort is key with these glasses. They're lightweight, making them easy to wear for extended periods, whether you're at a costume party or out on the streets in your favorite nerdy outfit. The high-quality construction ensures that these glasses are durable and built to last, even if they're tossed around during a busy night of costume fun. Let's talk a bit more about the frame. The classic black frame is not only stylish but also unisex, making it ideal for anyone. Whether you're dressing up as an old man, as a nerd, or even as a character like Austin Powers. The frame has that chunky, thick look, which adds authenticity and character to any costume. The Giraffe Square glasses are truly a must-have accessory for your next themed event. Whether you're cosplaying, dressing up for Halloween, or just adding a fun touch to your outfit, these glasses will help you stand out. Plus, they're easy to pair with any costume, and their high-quality construction ensures they'll hold up throughout your adventures. If you want to take your costume game to the next level, grab these Giraffe Square glasses. They're the perfect finishing touch to complete your look, and they're sure to draw attention wherever you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more costume and accessory reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.